PCS orders in hand? This move-in, ready 4-bedroom, 2-bath home in Valdosta is exactly what relocating families are searching for. Built in 2022 and offering 1,890 square feet, this home features a smart split floor plan designed for the rhythm of military life. The private primary suite is thoughtfully separated from the additional bedrooms, ideal for shift schedules, visiting family, or simply unwinding after long duty days. The open-concept living and dining area creates the perfect space to gather, relax, and make memories from day one. Whether it's weeknight dinners or weekend downtime, this layout just works. Because it's newer construction, you'll enjoy modern finishes, energy efficiency, and low-maintenance living, giving you more time to settle in and less time worrying about updates. Located in Valdosta with quick access to Moody Air Force Base, plus nearby shopping, dining, and schools, convenience comes built in. If your next assignment is calling, make your transition smooth. This home is ready when you are.